Hello my friends and welcome to my lemon battery experiment. Now before we begin, I just want to get a couple things out of the way. Number one, thank you to our classmate Peyton for her video. It was extremely informative and I'm actually going to be doing a variation of her method with this orange and lemon here. Secondly, I was reading some of the comments on Yellow Dig and I saw that some of you were experiencing instability issues with the aluminum foil. It was very flimsy. So to attempt to solve that, I'm going to be doubling up the two strips here that will be connected. So I made one of the smaller strips that I'll put inside a bigger strip, and then the strip that's going to connect these two is going to be 6 centimeters folded in thirds. So hopefully that will help. So just give me 1 second and I will get these all into the 3 strips they need to be. All right, so we have our 2 outer strips here now reinforced and our bigger middle strip definitely reinforced. And then behind here I also have the pennies and the paper clips. So first thing to do is to cut the holes. Okay, now that we have the slits in there, we're gonna go ahead and put a penny in the inner hole of the lemon. We're gonna take our reinforced strip and put it on the inner hole of the orange. And then we are going to clip it to the penny. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to take the other penny, put it in the outer hole of the orange here, take our outer strip and clip it to the penny. Then we're going to take our second outer strip and put it in the outer hole of the lemon. And I definitely see what you all are saying about the foil being flimsy. It's a little hard to slip this in there. Okay, and the last thing to do is complete the circuit, connect these together, or at least put my finger close to it, see if I feel anything. To be honest, I'm not really feeling much. Peyton also said to maybe try putting a point at the tip of each of these, so I'll try that. Okay, maybe a little bit. It's a little warm. Yeah, I feel a tiny little bit going through. That's pretty neat. All right, very cool. Well, let's go ahead and answer those questions.